Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boss Simon coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there? We done it up?
Inside,
Brand new banger.
Inside.
But right before we get tonight, guys, as always, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaica YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Peeps, I could kick off the first video now.
Oh, what's up, back guys, to my video. Yeah, I'm not gonna post a video up on YouTube, but me just do it. So today, I just let me post on YouTube, but I not do it. So today, I'm gonna prank my cousin. I'm gonna set up a camera and thing, but I have to hurry up, hurry up and do this. This is gonna be fun. Yo. I'm gonna set up the camera and my thing, you see me? A dab. Watch out. Dab me and do. So yeah, I'm gonna prank him with teddy bear. You know teddy bear, right? Everybody know teddy bear. So I'm gonna prank him with some teddy bear. I make the teddy bear then look smutty. So I'm asleep like coach right now. I'm gonna get right into the video. Let's go. So guys, I'm ready to write this on sleep.
Why you fucking bed? Why you bed?
What? Voila. What went wrong? Alright, peeps, next video now.
Hey. Wake up. Hey. Wake up. Good morning. Good morning. Jeez, please wake up, man.
What?
Jeez, boy. He's all rooster head.
Voila.
Stay home, man.
Yo, me think I did fall dead. I saw that the rooster sleep. Alright, peeps, next video now.
You know me, I know.
Looking at you.
Baby, I love you, but you don't know who I am. I got on my feet, where can I hear you, I love you. I look in your eye, I see all I do my best. Oh, you, I love you.
Yo.
Baby, I can't do it without me. Every time I sleep, I dream about you. And when I look at you,
Yo, if my girlfriend does sing for me, so if my girl does sing to me, so when I look into your eye, baby, it's something about you, girl. Alright, peeps, pretty much what's coming up now is a clip, right, of a party that they keep at Devon House Friday. Yeah, and it get loud up, right? And Desmond McKenzie right now, him launch out crazy attack. So somebody will get themselves in a trouble. Either the promoter or somebody. But anyway, look on the short clip here out of many that surface on social media. Yeah, and that's just one, guys. Them still not here.
You understand?
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Alright, peeps. My thoughts on the whole matter. When still not hear some of the Jamaican people. And regarding the party, or you put the nation at risk, my friend, and I keep party at Devon House. Really? For money? So when everybody's sick and everybody dead off, you know the money not gonna have no value though. The money don't have no power unless it's being spent. So Desmond McKenzie, I got hard. Somebody need to lock up. Yeah man, somebody need to be held accountable for this. Cause you put other people at risk. And the other people them will go. And it's not only Devon House alone, I say I keep party. I say enough people around Gar Road and I have party. And all them stuff that I say, Jano, you know what I mean? But we keep on asking the question this. What kind of example now I set for the future generation, if there is any left, according to the rate where we are going right now? When you see in Orlando, Florida, how much people have the big C. You see, and nobody still not learn. But anyway, peeps, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to check out my new channel, and the link will be down below. Yeah, Sinus Entertainment. Big up on yourself. Happy Sunday, and just go on journey, dear boy. Ashoo!
The slim and trim, you know you can bend up, do anything. Can't do the dance if you are stuffed chicken, you have to murder.